Hey, welcome to From Wisdom to Wealth, the place where wisdom speaks and wealth listens. We don't chase money, we activate kingdom inheritance. Let's dive in. What if I told you we're not just facing economic changes, but a prophetic transformation foretold thousands of years ago? Let me connect these dots for you. Look at what's happening right now. Central bank digital currencies emerging, precious metals surging, and a global monetary reset unfolding before our eyes. This isn't random. Scripture shows us this pattern in Daniel and Revelation, where economic systems shift just before major kingdom advancement. Historically, these transformations happen every 50 to 70 years. The last major one? Bretton Woods in 1944. Count the years. We're right on schedule. What's different this time is that believers with wisdom can position themselves as Joseph did, preparing storehouses while others remain unaware. Here's your action step. Start building reserves of true value, not just digital numbers in an account. Real assets that carry kingdom purpose. Drop a fire in the comments if you're seeing these signs too. Our community is preparing together. Follow for daily revelations on navigating what's coming next. This is From Wisdom to Wealth, where money is a tool, not a master. Wisdom is the currency. And you, my friend, are a kingdom citizen on assignment. No stress. No lack, just kingdom impact.